Alright fellas, today's topic, we're looking at the Beckett Simonon Bolton Chelsea boots. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. A few months ago, I took a look at the Beckett Simonon's double month straps, and I love those shoes still to this day. Hey bruh, you know they sell boots too. Why not check out their boots? Fortunately, they sent me the Chelsea boots. So today we're going to take a look at Beckett Simonon's Bolton Chelsea boots. So for those who are not familiar with Beckett Simonon is a direct-to-consumer shoe company that provides high-quality, handcrafted shoes at a reasonable price. The way that they're able to give you these shoes at this quality and at this price is by cutting out the middleman and providing these shoes directly to you. Not the scissors though, bruh. They don't only sell dress shoes, they also offer boots, sneakers, and accessories as well. And the fact that they offer you a 1-year manufacturer warranty, free exchanges, free shipping, free returns, a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and a 60-day money-back guarantee on shoes that you've worn, you can't beat that. Wow, they must believe in their products. So without further ado, let's check out these Chelsea boots. Alright gents, so these are the Chelsea boots. Now they come in 2 different colors. The color that I have are chestnut, but they do offer these boots in brown as well. These boots are made out of a full grain calf upper. The inside is made up of a cheetah leather lining that provides breathability, absorbs moisture, and regulates the temperature on the inside of the shoe. The sole is made out of a soft leather, which also provides comfort for your feet. These shoes are also Blake stitched, which gives you durability. The great thing about having shoes that are Blake stitched is that they offer you the opportunity to replace the soles if they get badly damaged. So it allows you to be able to keep the shoe for a long period of time. Now most of the time when you're buying a suede boot or a shoe, first thing that you have to do is you have to spray a water repellent on the boot or the shoe to prevent it from getting water damage. You don't want to get caught slipping. But one of the best things about these boots is that they're already pre-treated with a water repellent. What? This is my second pair of Beckett Simonon shoes, and I typically wear a 9.5, and from my experience with both pairs of shoes, they fit true to size. Now as a guy that is flat-footed with a little bit of arch, these shoes are very comfortable for me. One of the things that I love about these boots is the upper part of the shoe. The part that hugs your ankle, it hugs it very well, it fits very snug, so it gives you that slim look with the boot. And it's a great look, especially if you're wearing slim cut pants such as chinos or jeans. It gives you that slim silhouette. Another thing that I like is that they include this pull tag, which is what you get with most Chelsea boots, so it makes it easier for you to pull this boot on your foot. Also, the elastic as well is one of the things that helps it stay slim, so the durability of the elastic part of the boot is very strong. The inside leather is also very soft and smooth, so it provides comfort as well. Now I do own another pair of Chelsea boots and I like them a lot, but one of the disadvantages of this boot is the sole. Dang bro, you definitely getting your money's worth. They look good when you first get them. After a couple of wears, it begins to get dirty, which gives you a little bit of character with your shoe. After a while wearing them over and over, it doesn't look as great. Fortunately, this has the type of sole that you get with most dress shoes. You don't have to worry about it getting dirty. It's gonna always look clean. It's gonna always look in shape and give you that classic nice look that you really want. One of the looks that I'm very excited about with these boots is wearing them with a slim pair of denim jeans. Besides dressing them down, you can also dress them up as well. You can wear them semi-casual. You can even wear them with a nice suit if you wanted to. So looking at the comfort, looking at the durability, and looking at the quality overall, I think these boots are worth buying. Right now they are currently priced at $229. For some of you guys that might be steep. When you think about it, a lot of times when you buy shoes, you get what you pay for. Now one of the disadvantages of buying shoes from Beckett Simonon is the time period that it takes to get your shoes. About 8 to 12 weeks. 8 to 12 weeks? I know you guys are probably looking at me like, why would I purchase a pair of shoes when it's gonna take me 8 to 12 weeks to get them? Think about it. What company can you buy shoes of this quality at the price that you're getting? So you're basically getting a high quality shoe at a very reasonable price, so you really can't beat that. If you're interested in buying a pair of Beckett Simonon, go ahead and check out their website, and also don't forget to use the discount code. I'll leave it in the description bar below. Hey man, 20% off? That's a good look, bruh. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these boots? And also let me know if you owned a pair of Beckett Simonon shoes. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit that like button and make sure that you share this video with your stylish friends. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.